Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Temu.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and open up your Temu account. Here I'm already logged into my Temu account. From the main home page, if you want to sign out of your account, all you need to do is to find this Orders and Account option. Simply mouse over to that option and then you will come across this sign out option at the bottom. Click sign out and you will be redirected to the login page on Temu. And that is how you can easily sign out or log out of Temu account using the Temu website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.